Hey, so I just want to give a quick explanation of what happened here before I get to the actual video, since I started recording like halfway through the situation and I feel like it'd be confusing without one. If you want to skip this explanation and get straight into the video, then go to this timestamp here. So to start off, on Monday, October 24th, Ben went to go clean out a pie tin he'd put some explosives in. Not anything serious, just like toy rocket engines and things like that. It was definitely a stupid decision though, and we all yelled at him for it. That's when one of my swing mates, Jake, tried to use the garbage disposal, and it worked for a few seconds before he heard a ton of grinding sounds, and then it wouldn't work again. After that, Ben got blamed for it because almost everything that's broken down here has been his fault. For example, a month or two ago, he leaned against the sink while he was drunk, which broke it, so me and Jake had to fix it. It was annoying. Another time he sat in a chair wrong, and it fell apart, and we still haven't figured out how to fix that one. Anyway, Ben brought a plunger out and put it in the sink, thinking it'd help pull stuff out of the garbage disposal, which obviously didn't help. Then Jake and Ben started pulling out stuff in the garbage disposal and finding the most random things in there, which is when I started recording. I missed a few things here and there, so it's not super coherent, but I'll try to add text to the spots that need it to make it make more sense. There was even one point after Jake unhooked the garbage disposal that he turned on the water and it flooded the space under the sink, which I sadly missed because I didn't start recording again until right after that, but it was funny. That all being said, I think that's enough of an explanation for this video to make sense, so let's get to the video. Before I get to the video about how the garbage dispenser broke, just look at this closet door. Like, you don't even have to turn to open it. And like, this is my closet. Like, I have to deal with this all the time. Like, I don't even, you just push on. And if you open it, it just swings open. Like, it will not stay in place. This apartment complex is just garbage.
And now for a brief list of everything that's gone wrong in this apartment complex.
Okay, I want to see what else is in there.
There's a large piece of glass. It's not lodged in anything and it will easily break.
Yeah, someone put these down.
This out and grab it? I don't know if I can get it.
The chicken bone. Yeah, and before that there was a sponge. It's in here.
I can't grab this piece of glass.
Use these. They make it easier.
Is it gonna reach down there?
I don't know if it will or not, but it's...
I don't want to lose these down there.
Yeah, that's fair, because that is like $100.
Okay,
Do you want me to hold your phone?
yeah, hold it right there. Was it just
Oh shit. It's a giant piece of glass.
What is that from though?
Out of my BioLife account to my bank.
That's interesting.
Yeah, someone just had a big shot glass down there.
You put that right there. That's why it's making a weird noise. There's a piece of glass. Oh, wait, no, never mind.
Everyone blaming Ben for this when surprisingly it wasn't his fault this time. Yeah, it's bad.
I need you to hold it.
Glass wins.
Honestly, how many hours is it?
There's more of the sponge.
What is that?
Moose! What? Tip to the ground beef, boo! There's only two things! Two things, and now we ain't got no damn garbage disposal!
That and the bottle cap. More of the sponge.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna need these again. Okay, let me just find out where it's at. Oh, Moose. Oh, Moose.
What?
He said 2 things, my. That's another tip from the ground beef. Another tip. Would you look at that? You gotta be ashamed.
Oopsie daisies.
Gotta be ashamed.
Damn, bro, I didn't mean it. Father.
I bet he just always does that.
Probably.
He just doesn't want to go to the trash can, so he just fucking skips him over this scene.
It's because people think that this will just chop it up and get rid of their problems. It's not how it works.
I mean, that's
It's
kind of
like-
the point of it. But,
The point of
you
it
know.
is for food, because food is soft. That's
Yeah,
just
the
straight
point of
metal.
it is not for like a sponge and a bartending kit.
Moose, there's 3 of them in here, bro.
Are you for real?
I'm gonna pull a 3rd one out right now. How much you wanna?
Oh my god.
Put this in here.
What is
What
it?
the hell?
Oh, he's gonna post this shit on YouTube.
I will.
We're getting exposed.
You are getting exposed.
It's your fault.
What do you have to say about this, Moose?
Next question.
What if he uses paper clips?
Who puts them in the sink?
Yeah, how is there a paper clip in there?
Oh, Moose.
Oh my god.
Oh, Moose.
I gotta see this. Another bottle cap.
Is it bent?
Tell me. How did you not see any of this?
I didn't even look in there, honestly.
Oh my god.
I mean, to be fair, Jake, you were the one who pressed the button.
It doesn't matter if I press the buttons. All this shit
Yes,
is
it
fucking-
does.
How am I supposed to know that Moose is cutting these in the sink? And- oh my god.
You were about to blame me for something, Brian. No, you
No, I'm saying Cave isn't here, or else I would have pointed out these metal things.
Yeah.
And then God knows you put a paperclip down there. And then you got f***ing bottle caps too. Like nobody puts these down in a garbage disposal.
Hey, Tyler, welcome to the adventure.
What are you doing with the fucking weirdos?
It doesn't work anymore.
You want me to grind this shit up? No, like the bro, we're trying. It's broken, and I just pulled all this shit out of the garbage. Find out if it works now. I don't think it will.
I don't think it will either. That's a lot of down there.
I think some got lodged in there and broke it. Like it's having that metal lodge in there and having it like turned on.
Yeah, and having that broken shot glass down there.
It's not like the shot glass was probably what was making the noise down there, along with these beef things. But this that was like so caught.
Oh my
I
God.
literally, you saw me I had to pry it out. So it probably fucked up the motor, bro. Honestly, like I can literally spin the garbage disposal right now. Like it should be working.
Oh my god.
Shit. I'm gonna have to take it out of the sink because nobody else knows what the fuck they're doing.
Ben's a mechanic.
Ben can't even look in the sink and peel out the metal.
Well, that's not mechanic stuff.
Well, he couldn't put the faucet back on either.
That's true, but that's because he was drunk. But he wouldn't have been able to do it regularly. That's fair. Well, rip the dish drainer.
Guess who we gonna blame for all this though? Kate. You want me to rinse that off?
This one? Yeah, sure. That'll work.
Don't be sticking your fingers on there, bro. It's not gonna fix anything.
Ben, do you have any final thoughts?
glad it wasn't all my fault, honestly.
Yeah, me too.
That was an L play by me.
I was just.
They're underneath the
Yeah,
sink.
they're underneath the bathroom
Damn,
sink
Ralphie,
over
you
there.
should have been recording.
I am now. That's so funny. You just turn it on and.
Lose some of that lights out. I said it was Moose's problem, but I just made it mine.
Time to find out what else was in there.
Sorry, bro. I gotta play go to YouTube and look up water noise. Look up like to get the water out of your phone.
Noise to get the water out?
Yeah, it's just like a certain like decibel sound.
You can also just put it in rice.
Well, that's like worst case scenario. My phone's already waterproof. Yeah. Hold on. Oh my god. 2 ads, bro. Like my phone would have been right now, bro. Imagine.
Okay, it's on.
There's a whole screw in here.
Oh, you're lying.
I'm not playing.
Oh, that reminds me. With the noise, I remember we had a rat stuck in my brother's window well, and I tried playing rat killing sounds, and it didn't kill the rat. Made me so
That
sad.
annoyed with him, huh?
Yeah.
I said, just die.
Just die already. Die!
It's not sharp, bro.
No, the broken glass.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, he's got gloves on,
Shit,
so.
can you bring the garbage can close here? We're about to go through these bitches.
You might have to Venmo Ben for them.
They can suck me.
Why don't we just have Ben put some explosives down there?
Shut up, bro.
No way.
Really?
Really?
Interesting. Get off the black market. Give me back my phone card, mother.
And closes.
Oh, dude. That was funny as hell.
Now we know what to do when Moose gets mad, bro. Just take a picture of it. It smells like in here. This food's so old. So much glass. Just had to get the glass chunks out and then put it back on. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have gloves on, man. I don't like doing this. I have to play with 3-month-old food down here. Don't.
He's like, what's this?
Yeah, why don't we play some moist sounds?
No, he said more. Be gagging when they say they can. What's your password again? I was not in the office. We fixed it. It's now jammed. Let's help you.
Damn, will you bring that speaker out here when you're done, bro? I'm trying to jam. It's a good day.
But then I'm gonna get copyrighted. You ready to test it? Okay. It actually works. We did it. Let's go.
Let's go.